powerful back exercises, one complete transformation. By the end of this workout, you'll know exactly what to do and why it works. Today we're covering deadlifts, pull-ups, bent over rows, lat pull-downs, and seated cable rows. 5 moves that build complete back strength and width. Exercise 1, the deadlift. All you need is a barbell and some weight plates. This is the king of all back exercises. Driving through your heels, keep the bar close to your body as you stand up, back completely flat. At the top, stand fully tall, squeezing your glutes and pulling your shoulders back into place. Lowering the bar back down slowly, hinge at your hips first, keeping the bar tight against your legs. That's 1 rep. For deadlifts, aim for 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps to build serious strength and size. Let's go again. Resetting your position fully between each rep keeps your form safe and consistent. This exercise builds your entire posterior chain, but hits your lower back and traps especially hard. Keep your chest up and your gaze forward. Rounding your back here is the fastest way to get injured. Once your set is done, set the bar down safely and take a full rest before your next set. Now let's move to exercise 2, pull-ups. Exercise 2, pull-ups. All you need is a sturdy pull-up bar, found at most gyms and many outdoor parks too. Pulling yourself up, lead with your chest and drive your elbows down toward your hips. Exactly like a gymnast would. At the top, get your chin fully over the bar and really squeeze your back muscles together. Lowering yourself back down slowly, resist gravity the entire way instead of just dropping. That's 1 rep. For pull-ups, aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps using a resistance band if needed. Let's go again. Avoiding any swinging or kipping keeps this exercise strict and effective. Pull-ups primarily build your lats, giving you that wide V-shaped back that everyone wants. Keep your core tight and avoid excessive leg swinging. This keeps all the tension on your back muscles. Once your set is finished, drop down gently and take a proper rest before your next round. Now exercise 3, bent over rows. Exercise 3, the bent over row. You'll need a barbell for this one. Dumbbells work too if that's what you have. Pulling the bar up toward your stomach, lead with your elbows and squeeze your shoulder blades together. At the top, hold for a moment and really squeeze your mid-back muscles as hard as you can. Lowering the bar back down slowly, keep your back flat and avoid rounding at any point. That's 1 rep. For bent over rows, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps with a controlled, moderate weight. Let's go again. Keeping your neck neutral and your gaze slightly down protects your spine throughout. This exercise builds thickness across your entire mid-back, especially your rhomboids and rear shoulders. Keep your knees slightly bent and your hips pushed back. This protects your lower back during the movement. Once your set is done, set the bar down carefully and stand up straight to rest before the next round. Now exercise 4, the lat pull-down. Exercise 4, the lat pull-down. For this one, you'll need access to a lat pull-down cable machine at your gym. Pulling the bar down toward your upper chest, lead with your elbows, driving them down and back. At the bottom, pause briefly and squeeze your lats hard before letting the bar rise back up. Letting the bar rise back up slowly, resist the weight the entire way instead of letting it snap back. That's 1 rep. For lat pull-downs, aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps with a controlled tempo. Let's go again. Avoiding any body swinging or leaning back keeps the tension right where it belongs. This exercise is fantastic for building lat width, especially helpful if pull-ups still feel too difficult. Keep your chest up and lean back only slightly. Leaning too far turns this into momentum, not muscle work. Once your set is finished, let the bar return to the top gently, then rest before your next set. Last exercise now, number 5, seated cable rows. Exercise 5, the seated cable row. You'll need a seated row cable machine commonly found in most commercial gyms. Pulling the handle toward your torso, keep your back straight and lead the movement with your elbows. At the end of the pull, squeeze your shoulder blades together tightly and hold for just a moment. Extending your arms back out slowly, let your shoulders stretch forward gently at the very end. That's 1 rep. For seated cable rows, aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps with a steady, controlled tempo. Let's go again, keeping your torso still throughout instead of rocking back and forth for momentum. This exercise builds thickness through your mid-back while also improving your posture over time. Keep a slight bend in your knees and avoid leaning too far forward or backward during each rep. Once your set is finished, let the handle return gently, then rest before your final round. That's all 5 back exercises. Now let's see what consistently training like this can actually build. Deadlifts, pull-ups, bent over rows, lat pull-downs, and seated cable rows. 5 exercises, every part of your back covered. Do this consistently, twice a week. And here's the kind of transformation that becomes possible over time. This is what consistency looks like. 5 exercises, 1 complete back workout. Save this for your next gym day and follow for more transformations like this.